is these two types of vaccine, but the most powerful one is the first one. And now I will tell you about story of vaccine, the polio vaccine. Now, when the first vaccine invent, it will test the person that invented, test in his wife and his 3 children, and amazed his work. Then he tests in a lot of people. Many children test the vaccine and it's successfully good. And by that time, the vaccine event, all of American second fear gone. The second fear of American is polio. And the first fear is nuclear bomb. The second fear is gone. Everyone cheer. When the person that had invented vaccine said in all of America, all of the doctor, nurse in the theater, all of the television turned to this time. All of the world, not just American, see this. The person that invented said, I think I will just go to the room, talk about the successful of it, and then get back to the lab. But it's wrong. And he said it's correct. After he finished, 500 people is around him to ask him many questions. How he invited? What is his idea? Is it a lab or not? Do you sure it's the vaccine? And that is the thing. And also it comes with his fame, but he don't like it. Fame with us is very good. But in scientists, true love scientists not. They don't love fame, they don't like fame. Because the fame will make their worker or make their work will have too many people to watch. And that's why they don't like it. Also the person invented that he doesn't like it too. But he is focused in work. But they will disappear. The cotton company like a wrong kind of vaccine. The first kind of vaccine is it cannot infect you because it's already died, and it just makes your immune system to think this virus and need to have a memory cell. But Cutter made a wrong kind of vaccine, and it made to have a second vaccine. The second vaccine is not die vaccine. It's not if you give not die viruses. It's a live viruses. And it will fight, but it's very very weak. It will fight with your immune system, and you can be weak. But the difference is the first vaccine, the second vaccine can make if the virus is strong enough, it can kill the immune system, and the person tried can be cut some parts, like leg or arm. At the time, you think it's very well. The first vaccine is better than the second vaccine, but it's changed because of Cutter company. It made wrong kind of vaccine, which is more dangerous, and out of control. But it changed to the second vaccine. Why did they just fix this? Why do they need to fix this and still use the first one? It will have more people to alive. But then they choose the second vaccine because I think that it's not the Cutter mistake, it's the first vaccine mistake. And the second vaccine invent, it's not the first first person of the vaccine, the first vaccine, and he loved fame. He is greedy about the fame of the person that in the vaccine, has. He very greedy. He want to have it in any way. It changed the first vaccine by the Cutter company. This is very well. But they still but the polio still decrease. It still decrease. And in some year, the number of nature polio is 0. But it doesn't just like all that. The number of people is infected by polio is still about 6 to 8 because of the second vaccine. Make it. Now, the first person that made the first vaccine go to the set, and he tells everybody that the first vaccine isn't wrong. It was just about the Cutter company with the wrong kind of vaccine that he wants to make. For a while, it doesn't change, but in 19th century, that person make it. The American now know that the first vaccine is better than the second vaccine. It was just because of the Cutter mistake, not the first vaccine mistake. And after that, it successfully to change the second vaccine in the world. And that by that, the second vaccine being lose the tempo. No one wants to eat it in American. And the number of target is 0 now. But in the world, they will still use the second time. About the first guy, after being count to 0, when the second change, it come back to help the American all over the world. And that's it on my prediction. Thank you for listening.